yeah.
Do whatever you want to do. Shit, is this Castaic?
I haven't been here without my boat in so long. It's so weird to just pull up, you know.
Dang it, what was this, like 2 months in the making, 3 months?
We've been doing this for a while.
Oh, dude. But he did it right, bro. He just waited and kept looking, and this was perfect, dude. The rod lockers and freaking. You follow me out there?
Give us a start at some point. See what's up.
Yeah, there's fish all right around here.
They're all around here.
You can see them on the grab, dude. Are we still looking for the first fish in the boat?
Yeah, we
Okay.
didn't really
No,
try
we literally
anything.
launched in.
Yesterday we really didn't fish to say like
Yeah.
I didn't go crazy. I wanted to make sure this boat wasn't taking water in. I wanted to get the
Totally.
thing set.
Yeah.
The engine, you know, all of that. I was like, today I'll be the day to fish, you know, whatever.
Yeah, I don't know how many boats are gonna be in that back section,
there?
but that's always good too. You know where you and I went?
Yeah.
Along the rocks and stuff.
You just tell me, dude.
There's some, look at off that tree. There's a little commotion over there.
Over there.
Mm-hmm. See, that's the thing. I was here last time in the afternoon, and all the shad were over here. I wonder if they're obviously moving around.
Yeah.
Maybe this is more of a spot for them to be later. Yeah, this whole side of the lake is real deep drop-offs.
Yeah.
And then when you get to the other side of the lake, it's all shallow. You'll see it doesn't get more than 10 feet deep. Like these are good spots in the winter to catch crappie, like around 40, 50 feet out here.
Wow.
There you'll see little schools down there. You drop right down on them, and you'll
Stuff. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. He's calling me. Yo. There was a little bait ball over here a second ago. No, I got jerk bait. Nothing yet, man. We were fishing obviously along this bridge over here, and nothing. Oh, I got one. I got one. I got one.
I got one. Hold on. Hold on.
Gotta go.
Hold on. There you go.
I got it. Boat flip. Yeah, baby.
Nice.
There we go.
Oh,
Take
yeah.
a picture of that. First one in the boat.
Alrighty. That's a little healthy fish there. Perfect, dude. Right on that bait ball. Nice.
Nice, dude.
Thanks, man. That's nice. I'll take a picture of that, actually. I like that.
Was that John?
Yeah.
Perfect thing. That's him right there.
Jerk bait fish, guys. Yeah. Get it, boy. Got one.
Nice.
Yeah, I got off.
He's chasing. He's
Is it?
chasing. Look at.
Oh, it's a good one too.
Look at.
There he is. Yeah.
That was a decent fish I had on there. Dude, I just had a weird hook set on him. See, I just cast out to a little bit deeper behind the boat.
Yeah.
And he was following it. Yeah, he was following it when I was just dragging it.
He's right here. Oh no, that's it.
Nice, dude. I
Yeah,
stopped it.
I was just trolling, like letting it go way out there. Look at.
That's awesome, dude. Yeah.
I'm sorry, videoing it for you.
Nice.
Little guy, he's a little fatty.
Little fatty.
Little fatty.
That's for sure.
Oh,
I
that's
got
gonna
stuck
be
on
it.
the net.
Hold him up. Yeah, dude.
Nice.
Jerk bait.
Trolling.
Trolling.
Trolling about 100 feet behind the boat.
Nice, dude.
He's got one.
Yeah.
I got one. Good one too.
Good one.
Was it good? I mean, not.
Maybe not.
Maybe it was a really cool. Felt good.
The hell is he? Fighting you too. Oh yeah, he's a little guy.
Little
Okay.
dude, little fighter, dude. God, that thing pulled. It just turned away from the boat, I think.
He's like, nope.
Thanks,
Ready
man.
to go. Yeah.
Drop shot?
Yep. Yeah, just right in the bush.
What did I switch to as well?
All right. Here's the. Thanks, dude. Right.
Drop shot right on the shore.
Yeah, just kind of flipping towards the bushes a little bit.
Damn, dude. Another little guy. Oh, you can toss him in.
Blah. Tick, tick,
Oh,
tick.
he took your bait? Or
Did
is it
he?
in his mouth?
I'm not sure. Might have. Little tick, tick, tick.
That's exactly where I want.
Definitely lots of fish back here, you know. But, you know, eventually get a decent one.
Got one.
Yeah. There we go. There it is.
Nice. Little
Nice,
guy.
dude.
Oh, there goes.
Here, I'll get it for you.
You got it?
Yep.
All right, brother. Come on. Relax.
There it is. First fish, new boat.
Little
Yeah.
guy.
Nice. Yes, dude, the trolling.
I'm telling you, that's why I love the up.
It's right through that zone, too.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Oh yeah.
I saw it jump. It looked decent. Oh, yeah.
How awesome. They like
careful.
that. They like that Rapala, dude.
I got it.
Yeah, dude.
Woo.
Nice little fat guy.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm almost.
Nice.
There we go. Trolling
Second
again,
one,
guys.
trolling.
Second trolling fish. Heck yeah. This is, you know what? This is good. Then we can either fish real shallow or, oh, I got a bite.
Boom. Oh, that's a good one.
Here, let me get out of your way.
Oh, there you at. Bringing him over here.
You got the net?
Oh, that's a goodie.
That's a good one, yeah.
You gotta let him freaking get tired. You just stand low.
Thanks, dude. Yeah. Alrighty. Shimmy.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Couple
Couple long
pound.
guy.
Couple pound
Nice.
or pound and a half,
Yeah,
pound
maybe
and 3/4.
Possibly close to 2.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Sweet. Little top of the mouth right there, guys. Take a picture of that for John. He'll like that. The shimmy.
Nice.
Want a picture, Mike?
Sure. Get that little, these little gamagotsis, dude, get so good in there. Nice little, you know, let's do a quick little, let's see what we, 1.4, 1.46, almost 1.5.
I ended up buying that same setup.
Perfect, dude. It's so easy on the fish. It doesn't even,
It doesn't hurt the fish.
alrighty. That's fun.
What's your number, Mike?